Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again presenting to you the W King D8 along with W King D9. We basically already know the specs on both boxes, but later on I'll show you what the specs are like. So stay tuned. Let's head right into it. First up, we'll be playing a track on the W King D8. It's called Mason, Cricks of Milk, one of my favorite artists. Presently not right now for my country, but in the future wise it will be. So listen out. Mason made Cricks of Milk.
Yeah. I never learn. Different. What? Check it out. You don't eat, good. You want set it out for me, good. But you say you don't cheat, good. It's not an exam, baby, good. You say you're bad, give me a bounce. And don't freeze, bounce. Girl, I got frozen cheese. When you go a dance on the beat. Girl, you make me sing like this. I never know you smoke weed like this. Love it when you come my way. You smell nice and you boom boom. Yeah. I never learn. Different. You don't eat, good. You want set it out for me, good. But you say you don't cheat, good. It's not an exam, baby, good. You say you're bad, give me a bounce. And don't freeze, bounce. Girl, you got frozen cheese. When you go a dance on the beat. Girl, you make me sing like this. I never know you smoke weed like this. Love it when you come my way. You smell nice and you.
We're about to do the distance test with the W King D8 first, playing the same track.
Set it out for me, good. But you say I don't cheat, good. It's not an exam, baby, good. You say you're bad, give me a bounce. And don't freeze, bounce. Girl, I got frozen cheese. When you go a dance on the beat. Girl, you make me sing like this. I never know you smoke weed like this. Love it when you come my way. You smell